Joms TV Media here at Batangas Racing Circuit. Kasama natin si Sir Kerwin. Na-invite tayo ni Sir Gary. Sobrang salamat. Salamat kay Sir Gary. Sa akin, Sir Ismael. Ayun, Sir Ismael. Alright. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. Kamusta ang track?
Okay naman, so
Okay
far.
naman.
Okay naman.
Enjoy naman.
Enjoy naman.
Yeah.
Yan naman ang purpose natin.
Okay. Sir, tell me, paano ka napasok sa racing?
Yan, sa mga yan. Dahil sa mga yan.
Ito, mga to.
Mga kaibigan ko yan.
Yan, mga kaibigan natin.
College days.
Yan, si Sir. Ay, Sir. Oh, yun. Sir, matagal ka na nag-race?
Sorry?
Matagal na?
I started drug racing way back 2010, 2011.
Okay.
Around those days. Then, I work abroad.
Okay.
Ang tagal kong nawala sa scene.
Oh.
And then, nung pag-uwi ko, nabenta ko na yung drug car ko.
Which is anong kotse yun, Sir?
It's a Mazda 626.
Wow.
With
6-cylinder, no, Sir?
No.
Ay, 4-cylinder
with SR20 DET engine
Oh
from
my God.
Pulsar GTIR.
Uy,
The
solid.
ITD yung kung tawagin nila is Baby Godzilla.
Baby Godzilla.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Then, nagsawa. Then, umuwi ng Pilipinas ng 2017. Then, I acquired this.
Ito na, Sir.
Yes, I acquired the Honda Jazz 2017.
Sir, this is GD.
GK.
GK, yeah.
yes,
GK.
GK pre-MMC.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay yun, Sir. Yung passion mo, Sir, nag-start yan.
Nag-passion since I was a kid.
Since
I was a kid. Ano yan, mga panahon na nag-o-honor kami,
Yeah.
tapos nagkakalikot ng
Yun
4K.
yun yung OG, Sir, na ano.
Kung nag-swap ka ng 4-speed to 5-speed transmission. Yan. Stainless.
Stainless?
Oo, yan.
Kasi walang kung ano-ano safety feature.
Kung ano nilalagay mo doon. Then that time, nasa farm kami. Doon ako nakikita. Donut, yan. Kasi putikan.
Doon nag-start. Oh.
Yan, nag-start. Yan. Then, yan, mga friends na college days, nakilala ko sila. Then, ayun na.
Doon na nag-start.
Yung mga panahon ng mga SIR.
Yan,
Yan. Drag race. Yan.
Okay. Tapos, ayan, Sir. Ngayon naman, Sir, tell me about your car.
Okay. This is a GK5 pre-MMC
Okay.
with one-of-one Takeros. Yes, one-of-one Takeros body kit.
Okay.
Pero ang kinuha ko lang is yung front bumper and side skirt. Kasi yung rear bumper mo spaceship.
Okay.
But I managed to get a custom wing from Indonesia.
Okay, Sir.
Para siyang spoon, ducktail, then Noblesse garnish.
Oh, okay.
Then wala lang, na-tripan ko, ginawa kong white sticker.
Okay.
Then ano ba? JD mufflers na full exhaust.
Full exhaust, no?
Except for the headers, I brought back the stock.
Okay.
Para may catalytic.
Okay.
Then suspension.
Suspension, Sir.
Suspension from Franklin Lu, Coilover Specialist, standard.
Standard, okay.
Then I managed to get the rigid collars, rear sway bar, underbar na Cusco, then LVTU, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
I think it's a China brand, pero it's good.
Good, okay.
Front 5 mount. I think they call it 5 mount.
5 mount.
5 mount, strut bar, floor bar, and yun nga, rear. Yung color red.
Yeah.
Yun.
Ayun guys, mamaya silipin natin yun.
Yan.
Kasi ito, Sir, this is your truck car.
Truck car, daily car, delivery car, everything.
Everything, okay.
Kasi I own a coffee shop in Amadeo. Then, Kicks Coffee, shout out yan. Then I love this because it's very spacious. Then I can put a lot of stuff.
Oh, yes sir.
Pero ngayon kasi pinagre-retire ko na siya. I bought van.
Van na, sir.
Mas malaki.
Pero mas malaki.
Yun.
So ito na sir, truck car na lang talaga.
Pero dinadaily ko pa
Daily
rin
pa
siya.
rin.
Ang tipid kasi.
Oh, sabagay.
Yan, naka-spoon bucket, Cusco, 4-point seat belt, WK short throw shifter.
Yun guys. Yun.
Yan. Then, Nardi.
Na steering wheel,
Defy gauges. Then, I have the custom,
Engage sir?
ito, yung shift indicator. This one.
Ay, okay, yes sir.
Yes, a shift indicator, so I know where I'm going.
Okay. So ano yun sir, it will help you guide. It will guide you.
Minsan kasi, nasa 5th year na ako, kala ko meron pang sunod eh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Tingnan naman natin yung loob ng kotse ni sir. Yan, ito yung sinasabi ni sir.
Ito yung
Yan.
shift indicator. So, minsan kasi, yeah, naduduling siya minsan eh kasi naaalog. Ayan. So, neutral, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. Ayan. Minsan kasi na sensor.
Okay.
Fifth gear, then
Reverse.
Ayan, naduling na naman yun.
Naduling na naman siya.
Excuse me for the sensor.
Oo.
Pero maayos naman namin yan.
Pero at least may guide ka, no, sir?
Yes.
That's the
Naayos
purpose.
namin yan. Then, ano pa ba? Yun. Raso, tag dito? Pedals. That's it. Wala naman ako masyadong bubut.
Sir, ano pang mga ano mo? Sige, dun sa mga advice mo na gustong pumasok sa ganitong sport.
Yung gusto mong simulan, labanan mo lang.
Labanan.
Labanan mo lang. Tapos na may gusto mo mag-track, you go to the set of friends na nagta-track, you can join us.
Yeah.
PM us in our Facebook.
Which is lalagay natin, sir.
Yes, may questions kayo. Ayan,
Para mag-guide sila, no?
kayo sa proper proper tuning, proper setup, and yung mga
etiquette sa racetrack.
lalo na sa racetrack etiquette. Yes.
Kasi safety.
Yes. Yun
Number one
naman.
priority.
Number one priority natin is safety.
So,
We're not promoting racing upakan. Okay? Ano tayo? We're here to enjoy,
yes.
to set our goals. So ako, like my goal is to set a time,
yeah.
set a best, personal best time. Yun lang, hindi ako para makipagkarera sa iba.
Lalo na sa street na, sir.
Lalo na street. Oo
Yes,
naman.
yun yung
Oo
pinagbabawal.
naman.
Especially coming from a race car katulad ni sir. Ang maganda sa kanila, yung discipline talaga sa racetrack. And
Yes.
ina-apply, sir, of course, sa Kali.
Actually, I have a lot of groups.
Yes, sir.
I told them na I don't want to put stickers on my car kasi mamaya may magawa ako. Alam mo naman ng social media. Damay sila. Ayoko ng ganun. Pero ako naman, hindi naman ako makanti talaga sa
Responsible driving.
responsible driver tayo.
Correct.
Yeah.
O yun. O guys, mamaya, abangan natin si sir. May truck pa ba, sir? May ikot pa kayo?
Meron pang isang session.
Yeah, may isang
Meron pa,
section.
I'll try my best.
O yun. Sir, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
From Jones TV Media. Thank you very much, sir. Sir Kerwin, maraming
Alright.
salamat. To be featured here.
Yes.
It's an
Please
honor.
like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Jones TV here at Batangas
Jones TV.
Batangas Racing Circuit. Sir Kerwin, maraming salamat.
You're
Ingat
welcome.
kayo. God bless, sir. Thank you very much. Okay guys, meron tayo, mabilis lang. Meron tayo napansin. Kasi Valentine. Yan, ikwento ni Sir. Sir, bakit?
I ordered Rota. So, in-order ko siya ng I think that's early February.
Okay.
Then, lumabas siya sa factory with the sticker na manufacturing date is February 14 this year.
This year.
So, gusto ko ibalik yung candy color. So, red. Red. Then, Valentine. Yung nilagay kong
Okay.
dito.
Okay, sangkit ng kwento, di ba?
Yeah. So, unfortunately, after 5 sessions, all of my center cap is gone.
Gana. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And guys, Joms TV Media, alis na tayo. And big thanks kay Sir Gary Ramos. Sir,
Hi.
sobrang thank you sa susunod. Okay. Thank you. Sir, thank you. Sobrang solid guys. Here at Batangas Racing Circuit, Joms TV Media, reporting live. Yun, alis na tayo. Thank you. God bless. Ingat kayo pag-uwi. Ingat pag-uwi, sir. Sir, ingat pag-uwi ha. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, let's go.